Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my bedroom ceiling fan. Let's get into it. Here it is. Let me flip the switch. Alright, so we're going to go through the speeds and I'm going to show you what's above the ceiling fan. There's the head, motor, blades, arm, bulbs, pull chains. Alright. So I'm gonna turn up the high. Let's give a good look of it. What it looks like from above. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's turn it on to medium. Let's turn it on to low. It has a very slow low, but like very fast medium and high. For like some reason, I have the speeds low. The low speed is low, the medium speed is like high to me, and the high speed is like you're fricked. And because for some reason I have this fear, but one night I turn the ceiling fan up to high, and then I leave it on all night, and then all of a sudden it just like crashes down onto the beanbag here. Like literally, I have this big fear of it just crashing down, and luckily it won't hit any touch of my body because my bed is right there and my fan is right here. Alright guys, let's turn the fan off. Alright. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.